Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back. We're on our way to Oxnard, California to Granatelli Motorsports to pick up some spark plugs and thermal boots for the Camaro. It's gonna take us a while to get there, so we'll put you guys back on once we arrive at their location. We got the wires. Now we're gonna head back home and we're gonna give you a side-by-side comparison with the stock wires. Okay, we're back home and this is the part number for the spark plug wire and boots that we got. They do have other colors. I know they have red, blue, I think green, black. We got black. These are it. They have the thermal boot. And we pulled out the stock spark plug wire. This is a side-by-side of the GM OEM spark plug wire. And this is the Granatelli, and it feels a bit thicker than this one. Definitely a high quality spark plug wire. So we're not going to be slapping them on the car right now just because we don't have the headers installed, but as soon as we get the headers installed, we'll install these on the same video, so stay tuned. And they do throw in a little grease, so you put them on this end just in case you have trouble sliding it onto the spark plug. You don't need it, that's optional. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at YONKE_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.